Have you ever wanted to make money in real estate but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you didn't think you could do it because you didn't have the funding. Hi, I'm DC Fawcett, and I'd like to share with you the secrets that I discovered that allows me to generate checks like these whenever I want. I put the entire step-by-step process in my new book called Virtual Real Estate Investing Secrets. In this book, you'll not only discover my secret strategy, you also discover how to make money in real estate located all over the country without leaving your house, without using any of your own cash, and without using any of your own credit, and without spending months studying to get any special licenses. You can get started in your spare time to supplement your income, replace your income, and grow your retirement account faster than any other part-time strategy. This book will show you how to get started immediately without any experience. Now, this is not about traditional real estate that requires large down payments or difficult to get bank mortgages. This is unlike anything that you've ever seen before. So all you need to do is click the Learn More button below to claim your copy. It will show you how to find and flip houses all over the country without leaving your house. Now, if you're finding it too hard to find deals in your local market, it's because the market's too hot, which means it's time to move to a virtual market. This book will guide you step by step on how to do that, how to start, grow, and automate a virtual real estate investing business, starting on a shoestring budget. I'm DC Fawcett, and I will always fight for your freedom.